In today's video we'll see which are the best Forex broker. We have to choose carefully which broker we want to use, because in the world of trading there are many scams, starting from the brokers. In fact, there are many market makers brokers that earn money only through your losses. These are the brokers that we don't really recommend you. We recommend you only ECN brokers, because these brokers are only intermediary between you and the markets. Let's go on the website forexbenchmark.com. This website allows to compare many brokers to see which are the best one. Let's set average spread and also add commission spread to see the commissions that we pay. Now we can select which pairs we usually trade. Or if you don't have any favorite pairs, you can just select all of theme. Now let's select the broker we want to compare. I'm going to select some of the best brokers in my opinion. Automatically Forex Benchmark makes a charts and a list of the broker based on the best commissions and the lowest spread. As you can see here in this moment, the best Forex broker is AFP Markets, basing the ranking on the lowest spread as average of all the pairs. This doesn't mean that the other brokers are not good. In fact, it's up to you to choose the broker that you prefer. For example, if you trade just a couple of pairs, you can also choose the broker that have the lowest spread on just those two pairs. The most important advice is that you have to choose an ECN broker and not a market maker broker. The last very important thing that you have to know is that the broker you choose needs to have segregated funds. This means that the money that the people deposit in the broker are segregated in a bank, not in the broker. Because if the broker goes bankrupt, you lose all your money. If the broker has segregated funds, the money is in a bank, and if the broker goes bankrupt, you don't lose anything. To know this, you just have to search online. For example, let's see FP Markets. Alright, as we can see, client funds are held with A-rated Australian banks and are held in segregated accounts away from companies' own funds. This means that this is a completely legit broker, and probably one of the best choices to trade. Alright guys, this was a quick guide on how to choose a Forex broker. Hope you can find this video useful. In the description, you can find the link to Signup on FP Markets and some other brokers that we recommend you. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.